Another spot I have ignored lately, Westfield Culver City. There's more or less so many different spots, including this flagship Chic right here. We're gonna start out with this Pro Image Sports, because this spot be having a pretty crazy clearance section sometimes. Like this Lakers women's hoodie right here, $40. I don't know what the regular price is though. There's New Era, so probably more. Plus they got other Parsons jerseys. Yeah, I think everything here is 40 bucks. I think these t-shirts are gonna be at $10. $10 for these Fanatics Dodger shirts. Steelers hoodie right here. These are team apparel. And yeah, 125 down to 40 bucks. Wow. Couple of mediums. Champs New Era Dodgers hoodie right here. That's $40, normally $75. Got a couple of them. Mitchell and Ness Dodgers hoodie right here. These are $39.99, normally $110. Then more Dodgers shirts. These are still going for 10 bucks. Lakers G3 brand right here. I don't see a tag though. Probably 40 bucks. I don't know. Man, if you guys are balling, don't want to pay regular price, they do have stuff from every team. Got Fred Warner jerseys, pretty freaking dope. All right, we're gonna move on to the Chic right here, where they got a nice little Jordan section. Continues to the back right here. And apparently they still got the Olympic sixes. I can't believe they still have the Olympic sixes. These are a size 9. It does go for retail though, which is crazy because these bad boys came out in 2024, early 2024, mid 2024. Because yeah, that's when it was made. So it probably came out mid 2024 and still available. But they could have gotten a restock because they be doing that sometimes. But yeah, all the other Jordan releases right here. Got all the lows, mids right here on this side. Got the non-signature J's on the right. And this is a dope location, but kind of a pain for me just because they don't list all their prices. Kind of similar to the downtown location. See a couple new colorways of the Shocks TLs right here. I don't think I've seen either of these two. Definitely interesting. And this blue one really does pop out. We've seen the all blue, but now they got the black and the blue, and these are $130. You get an extra 25 off. Seeing if these are on sale, it doesn't look like it. Does not look like it. Dang it, the Air More Tempo is still one of my favorite shoes. It's the Air More Tempo, aka Up-Tempo 96 lows right there. $130 for the Air Max Up-Tempos right here. $130, $140 for these, and then you get an extra 20 off. I am waiting for the next game. The Lakers game is on next. This one went to overtime, so kind of wasting my time. Dang it, I want to watch the Lakers game, fools. Damn, OKC look good still. Damn, dude, that was a crazy steal, fool. Air Forces, dunks, I've been seeing all those. Damn, they got 2 whole freaking sections of dunks. Then they got the Forrest Gumps right here, 65, 25 off. We've been seeing these for hella cheap at spots, 85, and then this one, we've been seeing these. Oh, damn, I swear I thought at one location, I swear I saw that for like 80 bucks. Haven't been to any locker rooms in forever. Need to check them out. This is new. This is new for this season. Got some old school Lakers hockey jerseys. Retail on these $150. All the old school players got Kevin Garnett, got Rodman, got Vince Carter. These are pretty freaking dope. Did I show the front and the back? But yeah, I am a fan of these. I am a fan. It's like basketball jersey material, like the older thick stuff. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that new stuff is dope, but gotta check the sales section right here, the clearance section, see if they got anything super fire or any really good prices. Carmelo Anthony go for retail. Not a good start. Not a good start. We got a Kareem jersey right here. This is an authentic Kareem jersey. I have this one. I think this is small. I think I have this one. $225. I can fit the small swingmans, but I can't fit the authentics because my shoulders are too big. And yeah, this part right here, because it's like the numbers are stitched in and the letters are stitched in, it doesn't give it all, as opposed to these right here. This one stretches a little bit, the Swingmans do, so yeah, it is what it is. I guess not y'all problem, that's my problem. $90 for the Suns jersey. Forget Steve Nash, forget that fool. Kids, Carmelo Anthony jersey, $90. Lakers Mitchell and Ness, $70. I was hoping to find some cheap stuff for like at least some decent price stuff, but not really liking the price. But you still gotta check because you never know. Sometimes they'll throw stuff for real cheap. Isn't that retail? Cooper Cup still go for 80 something. That's crazy. Pete Rose, $100. Kids James jersey, freaking $80. $40 for the All-Star shorts. This is actually pretty freaking dope. These retail for like 85 or something like that. Or yeah, 85. They're down to 40. That's not bad. They will have stuff here and there. You just have to really look for a Sean Kemp jersey for Cleveland, $135. So just the shorts on sale, $50. For the Golden State, the Nets, $87. Yeah, not the huge deals yet. Not the huge deals yet. Been trying to find some of these things on sale. I have gotten lucky with the Cowboys one as well as a Rams one last I don't know, when was that, in the summer? But yeah, the season just started, so no big sale. Dang it. Got a Champs. I just realized they still have the old format here, but who cares because they got multiple 70% off racks. But it is all CSG stuff. I don't see any Nike. I don't see the Adidas. $55 off these hoodies. That comes out to like $16. $16 for hoodies, as well as the sweats. Winter right around the corner. They got all kinds of different colors here. And they got shorts as well, 70% off. And I told you guys, CSG stuff, pretty solid stuff. Then of course checking the sales rack right here, 550s, 2002 Rs. Ooh, got these are 1080s. These 1080s, yeah, 1080 V13s. How did they still have V13s here? That means this is old as hell. This is over a year old, almost 2 years old, 10 and a half. $80. That's a pretty solid price. I got tiny little ones. This is for grade school. And more grade school deals right here. And then women's shoes right here. Got some 90s, 60s. Got a bunch of New Balance up top. And Gamma Forces right here, outlet prices. Are these fools gonna go to triple overtime? Are you effing serious? You effing serious? That's crazy. Starting to see these Audi Zero SLs on sale, $120 a piece. As well as the Hardens. I've never even seen this color. Got Nike orange right here. AE prices, $60. And do got the runners, the MB runners. I don't know the name of these. The Mellow Ball runners though. Do got these for $100 and $110. Normally they, I don't know, $125 normally. What is this? The sales stuff, the Nike stuff. Oh, this is Nike men's over here. Or they are even starting to have these on sale, which is pretty freaking dope. So yeah, looks like they do have a few of the retros. And look, these have quietly been selling out. I just realized that. Haven't seen that at a lot of spots. The Rare Air 3s on sale. Got the Pure Monies right there. Oh, so those have been out for a while. I didn't know that. I've just been seeing these. I've been seeing these at the outlets. And then we got the TLs right there, as well as the black and then the black and red. And do got sales tags, but nothing too crazy to be really honest. Only thing crazy is this game. Look at this. Look at this. There have been so many buckets made the last like 30 seconds. Freaking crazy. All right, I need to watch this. See what happens. 2.3 seconds left. A turnaround. That's a shot you guys had? Really? Coming out of a timeout, that's your shot? Really? Really? God dang, that is awful. Wow. Isn't summer of 2025 past? Dang, I guess they're gonna open soon enough, I guess. All right, there's no Foot Locker here for now. Look at how huge it's gonna be. Holy cow. Look at how huge it's gonna be. Wow. Right across the way from this JD right here. They're trying to make this JD look puny. Holy crap. Got all kinds of Vomero pluses. Oh wait, these are the regular Vomeros. I haven't seen this colorway. Not seeing these. 150. I've seen the black and whites. And you get the plus in the black and whites, as well as the all blacks. 180 for these. Those are so much more comfortable than the Hokas right now. Holy cow. And of course, I should be checking this section right here, where they do got the rares. Look at that. 115 now, so $78 off. Got a couple of sizes. Then we're seeing small sales in almost everything. 480s right here, $40 off. Luca's right here, kind of a start to the sale at least, $25 off. Birdie's looking hella trim, looks like he's motivated. Haven't seen him yet. Did start, but haven't seen him yet. He looks pretty trim. The resolution's not great. Ooh. I know he is balling. He has a ton of points from LeBron's out, so he's going to be getting a ton of points, right? But yeah, 574s right here, little sale. They're up to $100 now, man. Retail's up to $100. These Lucas down to 80. I'm not digging that color though. But yeah, those 574s, they were originally 80, then 85, 90, 95. Now they're $100. Dang, dude, just in a couple years. A little bit bright. This is a women's Vomero Plus right here. Just love the look and the comfort of these. I'm just a big fan though. Got these Vomero 18s. And then like, yeah, some of the colorways I'm not digging. This one's not bad. This one's not bad right here. But yeah, I thought I'd see like way more sales, I'm gonna be honest. This is the women's section right here. I guess $80 off of the 270s right here. I guess that's not bad. And we're starting to see newer stuff like this, like the 95s right here, patent leather. Yeah, these will go for $190. Then even with some of the newer retros, we're starting to see sales. I can't believe they still have these, because most spots don't have these anymore. These are bigger sizes though, so maybe just the bigger size left over. But even seeing the 11, fake 11s go on sale. The Max RS7s right here. But yeah, they got stuff. The Concord 11 lows on sale, or the Concord 1 lows on sale. And when these are in the cases, yeah, there's not that much going on. And apparently reading is fundamental, because there's a sign that says, hey, there's a temporary store. What the hell is up with this store? That's crazy. This is the temporary bootleg store right here. This bootleg is hell. Don't see many sales though, to be really honest. Couple colorways of the Vomero Pluses. Actually, wait, 3 different ones? No, this is an 18, regular 18. I got black and, I don't know, is this peach? Peach orange? Pink? I don't know. But yeah, 180 for all those. I got some Shocks right here on sale, but nothing much though, dude, nothing much. Guess I'll have to check out the new Foot Locker when it first opens. Dang it. Ending the video with one of these. And we are starting with apparel. Look at this, Formula One hoodie. Do I need to grab this for my kiddo? $25. That fool has so many hoodies though. He has like 7 or 8 hoodies. I don't know. Do I need? Got some full yellow now. Nah, this is gonna fade. Yeah, it's gonna fade even more. I'm good. I don't know why that alarm's going off. Dude got New Balance jacket right here. It's a poofy jacket. $40. Does have lining and stuff like that. MSRP usually way more. Ooh, is that a Steph Curry jacket? Steph Curry jacket right here. Hella interesting, $30, normally $110. What does that say right there? The Curry brand. I can do all things number 30. I do have a pair. I do have some Currys. I don't know. Do I need to get this to match my Currys? Nah, he's a Golden State guy. I don't need no Golden State stuff. But that is dope though. That is pretty freaking dope. Nike dry fit jacket. $60 to $35. Vikings team apparel, freaking $10. Got some Lakers like U brand stuff. Pretty affordable, $25. This is $20. Why does that have 2 pockets on the chest? What the hell? What the hell? What is Nike doing? That was a Nike weird looking shirt. Yeah, they got more team apparel right here. Little Broncos pullover, $10. They got some budget stuff. They got premium stuff. Not too bad. The apparel section getting significantly better. $10 for this team apparel. Pat's pullover. Ravens one right here. Like, yeah, things are getting a lot better. We're moving over to the sneaker section where we see some tiny Donovan Mitchells going for $40. Got Vomero Rome, $73. What Nikes are these? I don't know. What are these? The Vomero 17s going for $73. Immortalities, $51. Hokas, I don't think this is one of the ones that's gone down $100. Some Hokas right here. What are these? The Cliftons? These the Cliftons right here? I think so. I don't know. I can't tell. $90. KD 16 size 10, $60. Adidas Terex boots right here. Another retail on these are hella high, $50. These are one size 10.5, 11. Moving over to the bigger size 11 and above. Got some rivalries. What are these? Are these rivalries? I believe so. Marked down to $13. Size 13, so not a crazy size. Nike Golf right here with Zoom Air in the front, $30. Metcon, I think these are Metcon 9s right here, size 14, $63. Ja 1's crazy big size. So not the craziest today. Checking out the women's section over here where they got Jordan 4 RMs right here. All purple. I've never even seen this colorway, size 12. Women's, $80. Got multiple of the same size. Got some Chucks right here going for $40. Another Jordan 4 RM. Just prices way high, $80. Got Blazer platforms right here, $47. These are Dolphin Cortez. Yeah, Dolphins Cortez right here, $40. That's pretty dope. Jordan 1 Elevates right here, $70. Got these generics as well as those generics. And these are the Kawanas. I was like, what model is that? They got the Hoka Kawanas right here, $90. I've seen a bunch of these. Some Sauconys right here. The Grid NXTs, $50. Got these Pumas, haven't seen these in a while. The Fenty collabs, $40. Oh, and then some Dunks, $65. I feel like I've been finding them cheaper at Chic, especially if you go to some of the slower Chic, some of the Chics where things don't move as quick. Seem to have a lot more stuff on sale than the flagship stores. I think we're out, you guys. I think we're done. Hope this video is long enough. Hope it was interesting enough for y'all to make it to the end. Stay tuned. Got more coming.